Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining today's exclusive webinar. My name is Ashish Asthana. So we are, after receiving a lot of customers' requests, we are doing this exclusive session on general insurance, a very, very important aspect when it comes to your financial planning, or when it comes to your tax planning, or when it comes to your personal health planning, right? So we have already gone through a lot of questions that you investors have shared with us. We already have, do we have adequate health policy? Do we we already get it from our corporate? Is that sufficient enough? And so on, right? So to do the needful, from Aditya Birla Health Insurance, we have a great personality with us, Miss Abira Sarkar. So she would be explaining the benefits, the details, the thought process, how you should look at it. The topic, which sometimes to some of our customers looks like complicated when it comes to general insurance or specifically health insurance, how simplified it is, and what are the most core important factors that one should focus to have an adequate policy, right? So Ms. Abira, we welcome you to our show.
Thank you so much, Ashish.
Over to you now, so that you can, our viewers are awaiting, so that you can give a complete deep knowledge about our products and services, and how exclusively it can be beneficial for HDFC Securities customers.
Thank you so much, Ashish. First of all, welcome everyone to this webinar today. So today the topic that I'm going to talk about is health is wealth. As we know, this is a cliche, and we have been taught since our childhood, health is wealth, and we all know it for ourselves. But actually, to look at the kind of sedentary lifestyles that we are living in today's time, do we really, care for our health, or do we really, have a thought for our health? Many of us, maybe in our corporate lives, we go for a jog, or we go to the gym. That is there at our side. But still, having done all of those things, still in today's the kind of environment that we are living, the kind of food that we are eating, if you look at the statistics, the health expenses as such is going up very high nowadays. If you look at the health insurance, the health treatment inflation, that is going up by 15%. So which means that, and every other, somebody or the other in their family or in their larger families has experienced some kind of a health issue. It could be dengue, or it could be some other critical illness, heart issue, and other things. So, we can't do much about it other than the regular fitness regime that we practice on a daily basis. But we can definitely take care of it, at least the financial aspect of it, by taking or looking into a comprehensive health insurance plan. So basically here, as Ashish, you just mentioned that, is a corporate health insurance plan that we have from our employers, is it enough? So I would like to point out over here that there are certain aspects of health insurance plan that each one of us should know. For example, when we join a company and we are working for a company, we depend completely on our HR department to negotiate one group insurance corporate plan for us. That is very good. But other than that, we definitely should have our own health insurance plan, which is a must. And if you look at our need pyramid, so health insurance plan is like, it comes under the base of the need pyramid. So when you do, or when we tell to our customers, or that we need to have financial planning, so the first thing, when he or she starts earning, the first thing when it comes to life insurance, we say that one should have a term plan. And when it comes to health insurance, we should have a basic health insurance cover of our own, because in case of our corporate covers, what generally happens is, when we are working, till the time we are working in the company, we are part of the company, we are covered. But as soon as we leave the company, or we are in our notice period, or so far, like we have just left the company, the corporate cover ends over there. So it is it's very, very important for us
Absolutely.
to have our own health insurance cover.
And I think absolutely you are right. And I think one most important point out here also, even if you think that all right, later on I have taken a policy, or maybe at the end I have taken a policy, but I'm sure that every policy has some minimum waiting period also.
Yes, absolutely.
Right.
Every health insurance policies, usually there's a 2 years waiting period after which the policy, actually starts. There are some illnesses which get covered only after 2 years. So, if we have our own, like you pointed out, say, suppose if I am working in one company and I take an insurance policy, I join another company and there I have been offered another health insurance cover. So I wait there for another 2 years so that my all those waiting periods gets covered, and then finally I get the full coverage right after 2 years. But in case of a personal health insurance plan, it is not so. Even there's a waiting period in a personal health insurance plan of 2 years also. But if I take it early on in my life, I have served those 2 years, and then
it is continued further.
Right. Yeah. There are certain more things that I can I would like to say that we bring for our HDFC Securities customers. For example, I will talk about a general group health insurance plan that we have exclusively for HDFC Securities customers. The main one aspect of it is I'll take the aspects one by one. So the first aspect over here is many of us are not aware that in a general health insurance plan, we have a pre and post. There's something called as a pre and post hospitalization cover. So here we are not only covered for the medical expense that is getting incurred. So it is given cashless by the insurance company. We provided to our customers absolutely cashless. We have got a network hospitals of 5,800 across India. But not only that, for the period of pre and post hospitalization that we cover is 60 and 90 days. Usually when you take a policy outside, it is most of the times it is not there, and even if it is there, it is for 30 and 60 days.
That's right.
Yeah. So to simplify things, pre and post hospitalization means, before I get hospitalized, actually, there are certain diagnostics tests which happen. I go to the doctors, there are doctors' fees which are covered. So all these things gets covered under pre-hospitalization. And suppose if I have an operation or I'm hospitalized, the moment I come out of the hospital, the doctor will ask me for follow-up. He will give me his prescriptions, and also he will ask me to go for tests, right? So those are also covered in pre and hospitalization plan in this cover. The other aspect of it is here that this is not a plain vanilla product. So we have other features also which are very interesting. One of it that I would talk about over here is, we have got a Hospi Cash benefit. So how it impacts or helps the customer over here is, see, all insurance companies are giving cashless hospital claims to the customer. We are also doing so over here. But not only this, for the number of days a customer is actually hospitalized, each day he gets 1,000 rupees Hospi Cash benefit, which is, after he comes out of the hospital, he can reimburse that amount and he can get that in his account. So how it is important, again, in insurance, many of us don't know there are some things which are called as consumables. So when I go to the hospital and get admitted, there are certain costs which are not covered by any insurance companies. It is listed out in IRDA. There's a total list of about 190, but just to make it simple, so that things like in an operation, gauge is used, gloves are used. These are all comes under the consumables which are not covered even in the cashless insurance bill. So what I give to the customer is, I'm giving 1,000 rupees he is eligible for per day of hospitalization for 30 days in a year, which comes additional to him. Okay. In the same cost, like in the same package, so that is what I'm offering to the customer. It's not a plain vanilla product. They are, and not only that, in my policy, when we are talking about corporate policies, what happens is there is always a copay, and you realize at the last moment that there is a copay when you actually go and give your bill, submit your bill, or take the approval you put for an approval to the insurance company, there you come to know that there's a copay. Copay means, most of the times 20% of the expense you have to pay from your pocket, and the rest 80% will be given by the insurance company. But to our HDFC Securities customers, we have designed the product in such a way there's absolutely no copay. Another point is, when I talk about ICU charges, in many times what happens is ICU is also capped to a certain extent.
Correct.
But here there is absolutely no capping. ICU also we are providing on actuals.
Okay.
And one more thing is, when we get admitted into the hospital, many a times we are eligible for, double pay bed, double beds.
Correct.
But here it is it's single private AC room. The customer will be eligible for a single private AC room. So these are the finer aspects. Here we have made the policy in such a way it comes completely hassle-free to the customer. There is no copay. There is a single private AC room. ICU is on actuals. We have benefits like, pre and post hospitalization. Then daycare facilities. In some of the ailments, we need not be admitted in the hospital for more than 24 hours, but still we will get our claim. So those daycare facilities also we give for 586 daycare treatments we offer to our customers. Yeah. So all these things, it's come in a simplified manner to the customer, hassle-free. Why? Because there is absolutely no documentation to be done for the HDFC Securities customers. All they need to do is talk to their RMs. Their RMs can simply, the customers can permit their RMs, if they like the product, they can permit the RMs to hold their fund. The RM will hold their fund, take the customer's confirmation on recorded lines, and also ask him about if he has got any good health declaration. He has to confirm that. If the customer confirms that he's in good health, the policy can be immediately booked by the RM without any documentation. And the next day, T plus 1 day, when the fund is transferred to ABHI, the premium is transferred, immediately the policy gets issued.
That is something amazing. I mean to say, you won't be getting this policy elsewhere. It is exclusively available to HDFC Securities customer as a group policy, and it is available through your relationship manager. So I would request you contact your relationship manager as soon as possible, get in touch with him, get the details, any clarification you required, and you can book the policy from there.
Other important thing, Ashish, about this policy is most of the times that we take a health insurance or a life insurance policy, we have to go for medicals, right?
Yes. I was about to ask, in fact, we have to go for a medicals, then the report will come, and sometimes basis the medical report, they quote the premiums and all. Yeah. This is how generally happens.
Correct. So in this policy, exclusively again for HDFC Securities customers, we have broken the policy into two age bands. One is 18 to 45 years, but there's absolutely no medicals. And the other age band is 45 to 60 years. And here also there's absolutely no medicals in this case. So it's actually a no medical plan for HDFC Securities customers. The other benefit of this plan is a group plan. So there's another benefit. See, sometimes when we go and take individual plans or retail plans from the market, what happens is the premium slab is made in such a way every 3 years the premium slab increases. As our age increases, the premium slab increases.
Correct.
But exclusively for HDFC Securities customers, we have capped it. So for 18 to 45 years, the premium slab remains the same. So if I have an 18-year customer who is buying the policy from me, I'm going to renew the policy till 45 years in the same rates. There's absolutely no change in the rates. Once he moves from 45 to 46 years bracket, then his policy is going to change. And again, after 60 also, there's a lifetime renewability in this policy, so which gets applied.
I think this is a very, very, very important and interesting part of this, that you are saying that till the age of 18 and till the age of 45, the policy would be renewed at the same price. In fact, here I just want to give a small piece of information to all our investors. Even 100 rupee cost in 25 years become 23 rupees. So that is the inflation adjusted amount. So here, if we see that in this policy remains the premium remains the same even from your 18 years of age till 45, I think this is an outstanding point which you definitely stand out from others.
Yeah, absolutely. And again, what we are bringing from 45 years to 60 years is also, if you look at premiums that are available in the market, it becomes very steep. But
Correct.
for us, it would be nearly 20 to 25% less than the market, because here we are offering to HDFC Securities customers. We know the client base and we have got history of the customers from HDFC Securities, our partners. So therefore, we have been able to get, and they have been able to get the best rates from us.
Absolutely fantastic. So anything, just wanted to know a few questions we are getting on the critical illness part. So
Yes.
do we have anything, the same policy covers, or do we have to take additional? So these are some questions also we have received in the queue, in the mails from our customers. So would you like to throw some light on this?
Yeah, sure, Ashish. So basically, we have got another plan which covers a comprehensive accidental protection and a critical illness. So yes, in today's, as I was talking, critical illness is very, very important. And to give a very small cue or fact, in India, Indians are more likely to get critical illness, 5 times more likely to get critical illness than any other people in the world, and their chances of getting a critical illness is much more higher than them dying before the age of 65. So actually what happens is, there is the critical illness. To have a critical illness policy, it is very, very important, because it creates a dent in our pocket. The amount of expenses we have for critical illness actually creates a dent in our pocket. So when I talk about the need of our financial need in the base pyramid, of course there is a group health insurance plan we must have, and over and above that, we really need to look at critical illness policies. And the critical illness policy that we have with HDFC Securities is it covers 15 major critical illness, and we have two offerings at 3,999 rupees. We given critical illness cover of 4 lakh rupees sum insured, covering 15 critical illnesses. Not only that, it comes with a comprehensive personal accident plan of 10 lakh, and the other plan that we have is of 6,999 rupees, which covers 8 lakh sum insured. Critical illness of 15 critical illnesses are covered in this, and it also comes with a comprehensive accidental protection of 20 lakhs. So these are the two plans that we have when we talk about critical illness. And here again, the process is very, very simple. It is non-medical, and customers from 18 years to 60 years can avail these two plans from us.
Super, fantastic. So now we are open for live Q&A. So if investors have any questions, you can please ask. We'll be happy to answer. So let's see. Quite a few questions we have already. We are here. Till what age senior citizens are covered? Asked by Vinay Damani.
Okay, so a senior citizen can enter into this policy even if he is 60 years, 11 months. So even if a person is 60 years, 11 months as of now, he can take this policy. As soon as he becomes 61, he will be no more eligible to enter into this policy, but he can take this policy. And once if he enters, then he has a lifetime renewability that gets renewed.
Every year.
Yeah, every year.
Super. Let's move towards the next question. Okay, quite interesting question again coming from Vinay. He's asking, what is your claim settlement ratio?
Our claim settlement ratio of Aditya Birla Health Insurance is one of the best in class in the industry. It is 94%.
Super, fantastic.
As on last financial year. Yeah.
Amazing. Let's move towards the next question. Next question we are getting from Krit Kapadia. He's asking, Madam, we are senior citizen of 64 and 62. In that case, what shall be?
So the plans that I explained right now, which are available for HDFC Securities customer, here the entry age is 60, as I told. But you please speak to our RMs. We have got exclusive products for senior citizens. So he will visit you, and those products are also available. Aditya Birla has it, and we do sell it through HDFC Securities. But those are not in the group platform. So your RM is going to meet and explain to you and sell this product.
If proposer is HDFC Securities customer and not all family members have the account, definitely the account holder is only one, then can the policy be issued?
Yes, the policy can be issued because one of the member is HDFC Securities customer in the family, and he can take a family floater for his family. It can be done.
Next question we are getting from Ms. Bhumi Vora. She's asking what kind of critical illness is covered?
So we have got a range of 15 major critical illnesses like heart attack, stroke, and other illnesses, which are all covered under this. So we can share the list. The list is available in our website.
Sure. So you can simply get in touch with your relationship manager, and he or she will send you the detailed email about the same. Next interesting question coming from Mr. Pradeep. He's asking, do you have any family floater plan or it's an individual plan?
The group health insurance, we have family floater plan, and we can cover husband, wife, and 3 child.
Okay. Raj Mahendra is asking, children up to what age is covered?
Up to the age of 21 years, children can be covered. Once they cross 21, they'll have to take a separate policy at the time of renewal.
At the time of renewal.
So here also, if the child is 21 years, 11 months, then also we will be able to take him in this year. Next year, at the time of renewal, then he needs to take a separate plan.
Okay.
Group active health.
So considering the time constraint, we'll be able to take the last question for the day. And we are getting quite questions that how this policy is different from other available in the market, and is there any specific name for this policy?
Yeah, the specific name for this policy is Group Active Health. And yes, as I told you, it is different because we have some additional features which is bundled in the plan, and also every year the premium doesn't increase. We have very simple slabs, 2 different slabs, 18 to 45 years and 46 to 60 years. And I've already mentioned the USPs of the policies in the beginning.
Absolutely.
which is a completely this is not there in our normal policies. Is only offered to HDFC Securities customer with this kind of a pricing.
Superb, absolutely. So many questions we are receiving. We have joined in late. We have missed out the earlier part. Can I watch the recording? So answer to that is yes, absolutely. You can click on the same registration link, which is through which you have joined in right now. But after an hour, the recording would be uploaded on the same link. You just need to, if you are using a PC or a laptop, then you can simply click on the link, fill up the details, and you can watch the recording. Approximately by 5:30 times you will be able to access the recording. And if you are watching it from a mobile, then open it on do not open it on app, because app is for attending live webinars so that you can interact with us. If you're opening from mobile app, just open it in mobile browser, maybe Chrome or a Safari as per your operating system, iOS or Android. Open it on Safari or Google Chrome, and you can access the recording. right? And definitely this video would be uploaded on our YouTube channel as well, because this is one of the exclusive within this category, which is most awaited from all our investors, and as per your demand and request, we have kept this session, and I'm sure that this was one of the fantastic session we had. Thank you so much, Ms. Avira, for joining in and giving such an insightful knowledge wherein making this product so unique and different, which stand out from others as a group policy. The most important benefit what I feel is of about group policy, as it's a group it's exclusively for HDFC Securities customers. So please speak to your relationship manager right away, pick up your phone, talk to him, and get further more details and enroll yourself ASAP. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming in, and it was really nice session.
Thank you, Ashish. My pleasure.
Thank you, investors. Have a wonderful day ahead.